Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to today's video. So today's video, I'm going to be going over City Beauty's all of their lip products. So I have long been a huge fan of the City Lips. I have pretty much all of their plumping lip glosses except for one, and that's just because it was a limited release and it's been out of stock and I haven't been able to get it. But I have all the other shades. I'm going to swatch them all so that you can hopefully help pick which one you want for yourself. They always have sales and they are releasing some bundles coming up. I'll be talking about that. So hopefully that will help you choose which ones, which bundle you want. But they also just came out with some lip liners. So they came out with it's called the City Lips Defining Lip Liner. These are $22. The plumping lip glosses are $35, but they always have really great sales. And sometimes they have a buy one, get one, but they also have they're going to be coming out with bundles. So the buy one, get one is the best sale if you can get it during then, but they also have some 30 or 40% sales all the time. So, but these liners are $22. They are really, really good. I have tested them and I'll try these on as well. And then they also came out with some plumping oils. So I actually haven't tried these. They have a night oil, which I love. I'm on my second one. It is $39 and I use it at night. I don't use it every night, but I use it a lot. I like it so much better than a lip mask, but when I need to use it, I will use it. It's actually on my nightstand right now and I didn't grab it, but they just came out with some plumping oils. These are also $39, but these are for the day. So yeah, gonna go over all of these and try them all on. Okay, first let's talk about the defining lip liners. So these are the defining liners. They're like a contour liner, and it says City Lips Defining Liner helps prevent color fading, smudging, and feathering to give lips a smoother, fuller, more youthful appearance. It comes in only 2 shades. So it is Blush, a soft rosy nude that complements pink tones and lighter lip colors, and then Willow, a rich, warm tone nude that complements brown tones and darker lip colors. So let me go ahead and try the blush on first, and I'm just going to line my lips. I'm not going to do the whole lips because I want to try the City Lips gloss without any liner so that you can get a true sense of the color. But let me go ahead, and this is going to be blush. So that is blush. You can see it is a nice pink toned, not too dark, not too light, really nice. So really goes on really smoothly. I love it. Has a really good amount for $22, and I can't just speak to longevity because I really haven't tested that yet, but it goes on really nice. And I love, as much as I love the Charlotte Tilbury ones, I hate having to sharpen them, so I really like these. But yeah, and for $22, that's great. Okay, next up is Willow, and Willow is the nude one. So let's go ahead. So definitely more of a brown. Again, it's probably not very even, but a good nude brown, great for different, definitely warmer tones, but I like it. Again, both went on really smooth, and they actually, when I tried to take off the other one, I had to kind of pull it off, so it seems like it does have some good staying power. So for $22, I think these are a really great liner. Very excited to continue using them. Again, I especially love taking ones that aren't sharpener, that are just retractable on vacation, because I don't want to have to deal with a sharpener. I don't mind doing the sharpener at home, but on vacation it's something. So I definitely will be taking these on my vacation in June. So with that, we're going to talk about the new plumping oil. So this is the City Lips Plumping Oil, not to be confused with the night oil. The website says City Lips Plumping Oil is a lightly tinted formula that delivers deep hydration for a visibly plumper, younger look. Rejuvenating ingredients help smooth the look of wrinkles and add visible volume. So there's 2 shades. The first one is the Pink Champagne, which is a subtle pinkish gold hue. So this is the Pink Champagne. It looks more yellow than pink gold. And then Sangria, which is a supple pinkish red hue. So let me go ahead and try them both on so that you can see. So we're going to start with the Pink Champagne. Okay, so that is the Pink Champagne, and honestly, I don't see any shade difference. So really, really nice. It feels amazing on the lips. This is not like any other lip oil. This is a nourishing treatment. Feels a little bit lighter than the night oil. but really, really nice. But again, as far as coloring, I don't really notice it. And then this is the Sangria. So this one, again, it is subtle difference. Like, you don't need to get one of each. Like, if you're just gonna get one, if you lean more towards like a goldish kind of color, or if you want, so you can see here that I kind of swatch them, and I swatch them pretty thick. So there is a difference, but on the lips, I don't think you're gonna see it much. So I think I would prefer this one, just because it has a little bit of color, and my lips tend to be very pale, but extremely nourishing. Very excited to have these. I can see myself using these. And then sometimes I don't feel like putting the night oil on, but I could see maybe putting this on at night when I don't feel I need the real hydration of the night oil. But these are $39 each, and I think they're amazing. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the City Lips, the Plumping lip gloss. This is what they're kind of known for. This stuff is amazing. I probably wear clear the most. I think I'm on my third or fourth. Clear is the one I just kind of, because I end up using a liner, and I will put it over lipstick. I will wear it on its own. I wear it all the time. And then I do wear some of the colors quite a bit. They used to have a matte. They don't have it anymore. That was discontinued, but I do love these, and I've been wanting to make this video, and I've been kind of waiting for that raspberry shade to come in stock. It is out of stock, so I just decided, you know what, I'm gonna do this, especially since I know they're coming out with some bundles. So before I get started, here's what it says on the website. City Lips is a plumping lip gloss that provides both an immediate and long-term solution for your lips. It helps restore the look of healthy lips by delivering deep hydration for instant plumping and long-lasting comfort, while smoothing out the appearance of lip lines and wrinkles. And it has like a flavor of vanilla. It's just amazing. So before I get started, I did do some swatches. So again, there are 20 shades total. 2 of them were limited edition and not available right now. They were limited edition during Christmas time, and they aren't available right now. So I'll mention them, but I am going to swatch them because one came back out, and I would expect that it might be re-released during Christmas time again. And then the one shade I don't have is Raspberry, and that's the one that was released. I think it was only 900 units, and it will be coming back out again, but they just don't know when. So hopefully it will be back out at some point, but we don't know when. So I did swatches in 2 different types of light, so like a shaded area and then really in the sunlight. So the first one I'm going to show is the kind of shaded area so that you can see it, and then at the end I will flip over to the one that's in the bright sun so you can really see the sparkle. So the first ones are, so you have the clear, which is the most popular ultra high shine clear. Silver Skyline, a classic clear with silver glitter. Midnight Sparkle, classic clear with gold glitter. Tinsel Town, a cool toned pink with silver glitter. Nude York, a warm toned nude with gold glitter. Then now we're gonna get to the sheens. So we have the San Diego, a bright warm toned pink with golden sheen. Los Angeles, a cool toned pink with gold sheen. Plum Springs, a deep cool toned bronze with a supple metallic sheen. And then the last one is the one that is a limited edition for holidays, and that was the Sparkling Cider, a warm toned rose gold hue with a supple metallic shimmer. So those are the shades, and then here they are in the really bright sun. So you can see those first 4, the clear, Silver Skyline, Midnight Sparkle, and Tinsel Town. They're all just they're all basically the clear with either a silver or gold glitter. The Tinsel Town is kind of a cool tone pink with the glitter, but those are really the shame. And then the one, once we get into the Nude York, that one's a warm tone nude with a gold glitter. That one, as far as the ones with the glitter, is probably my favorite just because it has a little bit of color to it, where the other ones just kind of add a little bit of glitter to whatever you're wearing. So, and then you have the ones with the color, and Plum Springs is stunning. So I'll try them on. And then Sparkling Cider, it came out, I believe, in Christmas 2023, and then was re-released last year for 2024. So I hope that it will come back next year as well. Okay, so now for the rest of the shades, these all have more color. The first one is the only one that has a shimmer. I probably should have put it with the group before, but it also has so much more color that I grouped it with this, with the second half. So it kind of is one that's kind of in between, and you'll see in a second. So again, I'm gonna show the one first with the shade, and then at the end I'll show the one with the direct sunlight. So first we have Orchid, a cool toned purple with a supple metallic shimmer. Tokyo Kiss, a sheer cool tone nude with a gold hue. South Peach, a warm tone sheer peach hue. Nude, an opaque warm tone classic nude. Pink Nude, an opaque cool tone pink nude. Watermelon, an opaque warm tone pink, bright pink. Coral Sunrise, an opaque high shine orange. Crimson, an opaque cool toned deep rose. And the last one is Holly, a deep red hues with a flattering sparkling finish, and that's the one that was limited edition and not available at the moment. So those are the shades, and you can see they really are just gorgeous. The only one that does have the shimmer is the Orchid and the Holly, and then here are the in the really direct sunlight, so you can really see the sparkle and all the color here. So those are the swatches. Now I'm going to get into just trying them all on. I'm going to go through them really quick, so I'm just going to try them all on, and it's just going to be like a little montage so you can see them all really quick, one to one, and hopefully will help you make your selection. So there you have it. Those are all the lip glosses, the plumping lip glosses from City Lips or City Beauty. They're called City Lips. I just put back on Sparkling Cider. I'll tell you, that was hard because there is a little tingle. They have a slight tingle. It's like, it's very comfortable. It's slight, but there is a tingle there. So doing all those lip glosses was a lot. So, but I love Sparkling Cider, so if it comes back in stock, I highly recommend it. To me, I would pay $35 for it. It doesn't usually go on sale because it's one of those limited edition shades, and those limited edition shades really sell out pretty quick. But this one is I love it, and I really hope they come out with another one this year, so, or come back out with it again. As far as, like I said, they always have a buy one get one. I will try and remember to post it in my community tab when it happens, and they also usually have a Memorial Day sale, so definitely take a look at that. Also, a couple of products that aren't included today that I love: the lid lifting treatment that I mentioned. Also their mascara, the Beyond mascara, is fantastic, and their City Lash. So I have been using that. I stopped using Latisse. I've been using their City Lash, and my lashes are really, they're doing great. I'm really impressed. Like, I'm getting the same results that I had with the Latisse with the City Lash, so I highly recommend that as well. So love City Beauty. I do have a promo code. It will be down here and down in the description box below. It will save you 10 or 15%. I can't remember. But definitely, if you can use it, that's great. It really helps my channel. But with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye, everyone.